lost quite a few trees in Libby today. This is in our little neighborhood. So that was going to go. Neighbors lost theirs. What's raising up? Got Rick Krause up there. Rick's Total Tree Service. He's going to risk their lives doing this. After this, they just work all morning since 4 daylight. Getting trees off of houses, just doing all kinds of stuff. This one's an emergency because it can fall into the road still or the power lines. It didn't fall all the way over, so we're getting this one taken care of, and then we'll head out and help other people again. Up there, Mike's over here, helping limb up another one. Well, that's trees for the chainsaw carving contest. We'll be taking advantage of these nice big trunks, so that'll be nice. Ready to cut the top off. Over there ready with his little bobcat, John, and I think we're going to cut that tree top off. Here it goes. Had a big fork in the top of that. Just driving by. Out where he's going to cut it.
You want me to go?
Moving the branches away so when the tree falls it doesn't make a hole in the road. Peace.